Hey friends, welcome back to another video on Pervy Magic. Today, I'm super excited to review of ChemiCloud hosting. ChemiCloud hosting has been gaining a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. They offer a wide range of hosting solutions, from shared hosting to VPS and dedicated servers, catering to everyone from bloggers to large-scale enterprises. ChemiCloud hosting is a reliable and efficient platform that offers blazing fast SSD storage and an impressive uptime guarantee. Its user-friendly dashboard makes managing your hosting a breeze, and advanced features like SSH access and free SSL certificates ensure maximum security. ChemiCloud's customer support is stellar, with lightning-fast response times and 24/7 assistance via live chat, ticketing system, and phone. Their competitive pricing plans start at just a few bucks a month, and with discounts you can save even more. So, if you're in the market for reliable hosting with top-notch performance and support, look no further than ChemiCloud hosting. Don't forget to click the link below to grab your exclusive discount and start your magical online journey today. That's all for today, folks. Stay magical, and I'll see you in the next video.